Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shippo for discounted USPS tracking updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Shippo for discounted USPS tracking updates, start by visiting the Shippo website. Log into your Shippo account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, locate and select the settings option from the dashboard. In the settings menu, find and click on shipping carriers. Next, look for the USPS option within the list of available carriers. Click on the connect button next to USPS to initiate the connection process. You will be prompted to enter your USPS credentials, including your user ID and password. If you don't have a USPS account, visit the USPS website to create one and obtain your credentials. Once you have entered your information, click on the Connect button to link your USPS account with Shippo. After a successful connection, navigate back to the Settings menu. Ensure that the Use Discounted Rates option is enabled for your USPS account. This will allow Shippo to automatically apply discounted rates for your shipping. Next, check the Tracking Updates section within the USPS settings. Make sure that tracking updates are enabled to receive notifications on your shipments. Once all settings are configured, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your Shippo account is now activated for discounted USPS tracking updates. You're all set to start shipping with discounted rates and tracking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.